Hi friends, follow these simple steps to wrap moi moi like a pro. The first thing is you need to take off the vine in the middle so it doesn't puncture your leaves when you're turning it over. And once you take off the vine, you turn one side halfway and then you use the other side to overlap and turn your leaves over and bend your leaves. And this is why you need to puncture that vine, take out the vine, so that when you bend the leaves, it doesn't break in the middle and your moi moi would start to leak. You put the desired quantity, just make sure there's enough room to fold the leaves and it doesn't pour. You securely close the mouth of your leaves and turn over. This leaves is actually quite small, that's why it's running a little. But this is how you need to, wrap your moi moi leaves. You can use this to wrap ofada in leaves and also ogi in leaves. So this is the simple way. Cut the vine, turn one side, flap the other side, make hole, pour your content into it, and securely, there's no one-way process of closing the mouth. Just securely close the what's it called, the mouth, and turn over. Thank you for watching. If you're new, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Continue to engage, like, till we see you next time.